Presentation. Hello, my name is Jesus Caballero. I am college student of University Hidalgo, and I am making the video of the subject of English 2. On my last vacation, I went on vacation to Acapulco Beach 8 months ago with my wife and daughter. We stayed at the Ritz Hotel in Acapulco. We stayed 3 days and 2 nights. The first day we walked 4 kilometers along the beach full of tourists and brown sand. The next day we went to dance to a small bar. The hotel food is delicious and its staff is very friendly. They treated us very well. For the first time I climbed in the kayak. At first I was afraid, but after getting on it everything became easier. It was a very nice experience. My daughter fell in love with the sea once too again for her birthday. My family is made of 3 people. We are dad, mom and daughter. We are good watching movies on Sunday. My daughter is my exercise partner. My daughter has a lot of energy. She can be running and jumping all day. My wife is a very good cook. She has learned many new recipes. She helps YouTube videos on improve in the kitchen. I asked my wife, "Can I help you cook?" And she replies, "I don't think so.